after making 10,000, after making 20,000, after making $30,000, and even more money, I went back to revisit that couch, and I sat there as an adult, with a job. Now I'm an investor. I sat there on that couch and I ate my chicken, and nothing could compare to that feeling. Being at home, watching the game on Sunday, my dad's there, family's there, and that just goes to show you that the things that we often take for granted are the things that are already around you, the things that you already experience every day. And it could be a curse if you're always looking at the next best thing and not really truly reflecting on what you already have. So before I give anyone advice, I always ask them, hey, what makes you happy today? What makes you happiest? And if you can't give me an answer, then that means that you're taking things for granted that are already in front of your face, and you have to fix that.